Hi everybody, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures, and today I am here at Walt Disney World's Coronado Springs Resort, and we are in a standard room, and I want to take you on a walk through our rooms so that you can see what they look like. Check out our YouTube channel if you want to see a tour of a tower view room. In fact, I'll drop that right here, and you can check out the tower rooms as well. All right, everybody, we are going to go into our standard room here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. As I said before, this is room number 6223, and let's go on in and take a look around. All right, here's Colleen. She is staying here with me in this beautiful room. 2 queen beds. These are newly refurbished. You can see all the floors. They're the luxury vinyl, and I like that because it's cleaner than the carpet. We have a nice window, chair here, artwork. And for those of you coffee drinkers, let's go right over here. We'll start here. Look, K-cups right here. A lot of the moderate resorts do not have the K-cups. Coronado Springs is one of 4 moderate resorts on Walt Disney World property. There's a little cooler here underneath, so you can put bottled drinks, bottled water, whatever you want to keep cold right here for the day. That's handy. Nice little desk area right here. You can sit at to work, put your computer. There's a desk lamp here. Outlets, USB charging ports, which are just essential right now. And TV, nice sized TV. Remote control and more outlets and charging ports here. Underneath here, there are drawers. They're all the same, but drawers. So you can move in, unpack, stay a while. And if you want to stash your luggage so you can get comfortable, it fits under these beds. Since in the remodeled resorts, they have lifted the beds so that your luggage will fit underneath. Let's go on around here. This room has a connecting door, so there is an adjoining room right here, or connecting room right here next door to this one. So if you had a family that was bigger than 4, you could request a connecting room and get the door in between them. Those aren't guaranteed. Right here in the bathroom entryway, there are sliding doors. I like those because it gives you some privacy for when you step out of the shower. And into the sink area, you can get dressed. You can put your clothes in there, but here, I will close these. They're really quiet and very smooth. I really like that upgrade that they've done in these rooms. It's not a curtain, they're nice heavy doors. It feels more luxurious that way. All right, and into the bathroom and sink area. Hi everybody. Towels, lots of shelves. Oh, there's a hook right here to hang things on. And let's look, let's be nosy in here. Oh, a cabinet if you wanted to put something in it. And I want to tell you, here's kind of the toiletries and amenities. I'm a little bit shocked by that. A lot of the resorts don't have those anymore. They're on the wall in the shower in bottles that get refilled, but they do have them today in this convention center resort room at Coronado Springs. I wouldn't plan on those, so don't bank on these. This is really neat, the mouthwash and the body lotion. And let me tell you, these H2O products, they smell amazing, but I wouldn't bank on those being here. I would cross your fingers. I hope they would be here when you would stay here. But double sinks and vanities, lots of shelves under here, storage, and it just makes it look nicer. Extra Kleenex there. There is a hairdryer right here under that cabinet. So there's your hairdryer. Let's look in the closet here. It's kind of a freestanding closet now. There are plenty of hangers, an extra pillow and blanket that has a little red seal on it there, so you can tell it's been cleaned and hasn't been opened. There is a full-size ironing board. This looks to me like a fancy steam iron. Again, probably because this is a convention center resort, a luggage rack, so you can set this out maybe in front of that connecting door there and put your luggage on it. And more shelves at the bottom if you want to be nice and tidy and keep your shoes in there or whatever. All right, we'll turn around here. This is the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom. This one happens to have a tub shower combo. And here are the soaps I was saying. This is what's typically in all of the resorts right now. These soaps on the wall that are refillable. They don't usually have the small bottles. But there's the shower head. Nice big shower head. You can see in the top right corner there's the string to hang your swimsuits on. So you can string that across and hook it on the other side and hang your swimwear in the shower so it can drip in the shower. And here's the bathtub. Let's back up a little so you can see it. And they have glass shower doors instead of a shower curtain here. Nice, comfortable bathroom. And this is a nice, really nice big room. There's 2 queen beds here. Let's look in between here. Phone. Light switches. I love this next to the beds, the outlets and the USB ports. I like it a lot because I can set my phone here at night. I depend on my phone, my alarm, everything else, and I can charge my phone right next to the bed. But again, these are just switches for the lights. Let's see here. I'm trying to see what these are doing. So the outside switches do the little lights over the bed here. And this switch in the middle controls the room light that's in the middle of the room and the ceiling fan, which not a lot of rooms have ceiling fans. This one does, which is a really nice feature. I think it helps it feel a lot cooler in the room when there's a ceiling fan, but I love that artwork. That is really neat. I'm going to turn the light off to the ceiling fan so you can maybe see the artwork with a little less reflection, but that's really neat. And that's it. That is pretty much the room here, a standard room at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. I'll back up so you guys can get one final view of everything. The 2 queen beds. You will really enjoy your stay if you decide to stay here at Coronado Springs Resort. Thank you for touring the room at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort with us. We're so glad that you stopped in. If you like our videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notifications when we post new content. If you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next Walt Disney World vacation from someone who has been there and done that, you will find me at pixiedustadventures.com. My name is Melissa. Thanks for watching. Bye.